Looking forward to check Facebook account created date. Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily see when you have created your account. The very first thing you wanna do is head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, head over to settings and privacy. Move into settings. Inside settings, you need to move into account center at the very top. After that, head over to your information and permissions. Click on access your information. Now you simply need to click on privacy center and then wait for a while for it to load. Enter the login credential of your Facebook account and then tap on login. At the very front page, you will be able to see when your account was created, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can check when your account was created. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.